Hi everyone, I'm going to show you today how to set up the Jira and HubSpot integration. So I just created my free account in Jira to show you this, and I'm going to navigate to my other account where I'm now just setting it up. So here I installed the Jira integration, right? There are two integrations, one to do data sync and another one that is for linking a ticket to a Jira issue. So today I'm going to be showing the data sync, right? What I have here is the first step, configure. So here I have to go through a series of steps, but they should be super straightforward. I can select, for example, that the data sync is between the two apps. I can select who is going to be having the priority on the data. So HubSpot is going to be the one that clear any other data or override data. After all, I do my mapping, so I can select any other property, for example, that I want to map to HubSpot. Then I will need to select the same in the HubSpot side. In my case, I'm fine now with this. So now I have to set up a limit. So what are the ticket pipelines that are going to sync, right? So in my case, I'm going to do the support. I added three different stages. So I added escalation, review by team, and fix by team. So here are the ones that I'm going to map with Jira. So I have escalation, it's going to map with to do, review by tech team, I'm going to put it in progress, and fix, I'm going to put it as done. And with that, I should be pretty much ready to go. Here, you can select what are the issues that are going to sync to from Jira to HubSpot and vice versa, the tickets from HubSpot to Jira, because maybe you don't want everything to go there, right? So in my case, all the issues, I'm going to sync them from Jira to HubSpot. Vice versa, HubSpot to Jira, I'm just going to select that certain tickets are going to go. So maybe I'm going to go based on the ticket status, right? Uh, so I'm just gonna move this to the top to make it easier to find my two screens. So here I'm gonna use the status. Ticket status is any of, and I'm gonna select escalation. So only when it go to escalation is gonna sync to Jira, right? And with this, the duplication, etc., things that I never seen, associations, and review. Perfect. So to me, it looks ready to go. And I'm mapping any other par, for example, from the other properties. I think I need to fix them. I think I need to put skip. So I'm gonna fix that and I'm gonna show you how it works. I'm gonna pause now. Perfect. So now that I finished the setup, I am back in my help desk, right? And here I have my Jira board. So all the issues that are escalated to my team. From here, I'm gonna jump into any of the tickets. So this one, password reset. I can see as well that this one is not being um, sync right now. So let's activate this and let's go for an escalation. So this will change in the next few seconds. And from now, what I'm expecting is that this issue is going to be created in Jira. So I'm going to pause and we will see again in a few seconds. So now that I waited a few seconds, I'm just going to come back. And here I can see that the issue actually synced to Jira. So how does it look in Jira? If I go, I believe this is my board. I've never seen Jira before. It looks like this is syncing the tickets that are in that specific stage. So from here, I can look into this issue. So this is the body of the email, right? and I can add comments, I can start working, I can collaborate with my teams in Jira. And let me see, because again, I've never seen it before. Let's try to change it back so it syncs back to HubSpot. Let me take a look at that. I realize where it is. So if I take this one and I move it to do, and this one, let's say I'm going to move it to done, I will have, I'm expecting this to sync also to HubSpot. So let's see now. If I get back here, this is being reviewed by the team. And the other one, I believe, was this one. This one is still in escalation. It synced 2 minutes ago, so I guess it's gonna sync again in the next few minutes. But once it syncs again, I believe it could be between 5 minutes. The ticket in Jira should bring the status back to HubSpot. So that how you can enable the collaboration between people that is working in support in HubSpot, and whenever they need to do an escalation to Jira, either to work on a project or to work on a bug, and then they collaborate internally, fixing that bug or working on that specific project. They sync the information back to HubSpot, and you get it back here in the help desk. So hopefully that explains how the integration works. And let me know if you have any questions. Have a nice day.